Ferndale, a city celebrated for its vibrant neighborhoods and eco-conscious community, has increasingly embraced sustainability as a way of life. From energy-efficient homes to environmentally friendly practices, residents are continually seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint and energy expenses. One often overlooked, yet critical, component of energy efficiency in any home is the choice of doors. Energy-efficient doors can make a world of difference for Ferndale residents, improving comfort, cutting costs, and contributing to the city's green initiatives. Energy efficiency. The core benefit that energy-efficient doors are designed to minimize energy loss, acting as a robust barrier between the interior and exterior of a home. For Ferndale residents, where winters can be chilly and summers occasionally sweltering, having a well-insulated door is crucial. Poorly insulated doors can allow drafts, leading to increased heating or cooling demands. This translates to higher energy bills and unnecessary strain on HVAC systems. Modern energy-efficient doors are typically crafted from materials like fiberglass, steel, or wood, combined with insulating cores and weather-stripping technologies. These features ensure a tight seal, keeping conditioned air inside and outdoor temperatures at bay. This not only makes homes more comfortable year-round but also significantly reduces energy consumption, aligning with Ferndale's sustainability goals. Cost savings over time. While energy-efficient doors may require an upfront investment, the long-term savings are substantial. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homes with energy-efficient upgrades, including doors, can save homeowners up to 15% on annual energy costs. For Ferndale families, these savings can free up resources for other priorities, such as education, leisure activities, or further home improvements. Additionally, many energy-efficient doors qualify for rebates or tax credits. Residents who take advantage of these incentives can offset some of the initial costs, making the transition to sustainable living more financially accessible. Enhanced comfort and reduced noise. Beyond financial savings, energy-efficient doors offer unparalleled comfort. By eliminating drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, these doors create a more pleasant living environment. Residents can say goodbye to cold spots near entryways during the winter or uncomfortably warm interiors in the summer. Energy-efficient doors also excel at reducing noise pollution. Ferndale, known for its bustling downtown and lively events, can occasionally bring higher levels of street noise. Insulated doors help block out unwanted sounds, ensuring a quieter and more serene home atmosphere, a valuable benefit for families and remote workers alike. Durability and increased home value. Another advantage of energy-efficient doors is their durability. Designed with advanced materials and construction methods, these doors often outlast traditional ones. They resist wear and tear, are less prone to warping or damage, and require minimal maintenance, making them a practical choice for Ferndale's diverse weather conditions. Installing energy-efficient doors can also boost a home's resale value. Potential buyers are increasingly prioritizing sustainable features in their search for homes. By investing in energy-efficient doors, Ferndale homeowners not only enhance their property's curb appeal but also make it more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. Supporting Ferndale's environmental goals as a community, Ferndale has demonstrated a strong commitment to environmental stewardship. Choosing energy-efficient doors aligns with the city's broader goals of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable living. Every home upgrade, no matter how small, contributes to a collective effort to protect the environment for future generations. Energy-efficient doors also reduce reliance on fossil fuels. By decreasing the energy needed to heat and cool homes, residents can lower their carbon footprint. For Ferndale, a city that prides itself on being forward-thinking and community-focused, these individual actions resonate on a larger scale, inspiring others to adopt greener practices. Choosing the right energy-efficient door. When selecting an energy-efficient door, Ferndale residents should look for certifications such as Energy Star, which indicates compliance with rigorous energy efficiency standards. Consulting with local experts or contractors familiar with Ferndale's unique climate can also ensure the best choice for long-term performance. Popular options include fiberglass doors with foam cores for superior insulation, steel doors with weather-resistant coatings, and wooden doors with energy-efficient glass inserts. The right choice depends on the home's style, budget, and specific energy goals. Conclusion. For Ferndale residents, energy-efficient doors represent a smart and sustainable investment. These doors not only enhance comfort, reduce energy bills, and increase property value but also contribute to the city's environmental vision. By choosing energy-efficient solutions, Ferndale homeowners take a meaningful step toward creating a more sustainable, cost-effective, and comfortable living environment for themselves and future generations. Whether building a new home or upgrading an existing one, energy-efficient doors are a key component of a greener Ferndale.